Me again. It seems everyone and their brother has another course to show you the basics in this industry. And many of them are pretty good. Some of course are just badly put together with some very bad ideas. Ultimately though, they often seem to pretty much say the same thing. For those who remember the days before Windows, we had DOS and there were probably at least 100 DOS shells or graphic ways to interact with DOS. We even had a term for it, YADS, yet another DOS shell. That's what it feels like with these courses, yet another course. So there I was reviewing this course while munching my cornflakes the other morning and expecting another ho-hum course on the same old. And it had all the usual stuff. But then, I nearly spit the cornflakes out because I was so shocked. I was like, OMG, that is so friggin' cool. Truth be told, there are very few things I've found that are more incredible than this course. I mean for real, if I'm telling you it's truly one of the most remarkable things I have ever seen, then that's saying something. Click the link below and grab your complimentary mini course.